Hey, Boots. I miss you. I want to spend time with you. Every day you spend with Sleepy. I miss you. I miss hanging out with you. Like the good old days. I miss being your friend. Let's do some doga.
Doga? What is that, Edgar?
Yoga for dogs. Oh, let's do a couple chapters. Just like the good old days. What do you say, Boots? Let's do it.
No. There's no way we could ever do this. Maya!
I'll go with you. I love yoga. I'll do yoga with you. I love yoga. I do it with Marcia all the time. Chapter 1.
Up and down the mountain. Do you want to try that, Maya? You want to do that one? You want to go up and down the mountain? Okay, we start with the mountain pose. Then we stand forward and bend the Uttanasana and the Tadasana. And then we go to the Uttanasana. And then the Uttanasana. And then the Tadasana. Oh, she loves it. Look at her. She's so happy.
I fucking hate you.
The book says it's okay, so this is not terrorizing your dog. The book says it's okay, so don't worry about it. Here we go. As if. What is this dog? What did he drug their dogs? Okay, so in this one, you basically knee your dog in the genital. Just really hard Mortal Kombat finisher. Hey guys, it's your turn.
Oh my god, it's my turn to prove myself. For Boots. Oh my god, I fucking love yoga. I fucking love it. I fucking live for this shit, man. Boots, finally.
I've never heard him do that noise before.
Fatality.
Good thing I don't have any balls.
Bring your height through the front torso as long as... I don't care. Okay. Basically, you just rub your dog's belly. I love dog yoga. Do you like it, Maya? Am I doing it right? We're doing the Alanasa, Maya. Yes. The Alanasa. I think she likes it. I think she likes the Alanasa. How is this good for your dog? Stay, for fuck's sake. Duktig again. Fuck's sake. Was it cool? Was it cool? Alright, do you want to do this one, Edgar? The Utthita Trikonasana. So you start off like this. Then you do the Utthita Trikonasana. This one is called Trusting Me.
Hey, call dog security. I don't trust in him.
Oh, that's good. You trusted me. Oh, that's good. Oh, I feel a lot of trust being built here. Again, how do you feel? Relaxed. Relax. That's it. Trust me. Trust me. Oh, good dog. Oh, hey, we built some trust here today. It's working. I've never seen him this calm in my life. What the fuck is happening?
Now can we kill Sleepy?
Not until you fight to the death. We had an agreement.
I'll get that son of a bitch. I'm ready for the advanced shit. Now, you gotta trust me. Look forward. Oh, that feels good, Boots. I really enjoyed it. Hey. Oh, I feel great. Oh, I feel fantastic.
Can you sit still?
The surfer! You need at least 100% synchronization to pull it off. Do you really think we can do it? set.
You fucking idiot. You're so stupid. Oh! No! No!
Hey, you left me hanging. Why? Why did you do it? Why? These fingers taste fucking great, man.
This is what you wanted all along. My fingers.
Yes, I only did yoga. I tricked you, so you could be too weak to defend yourself. Your fingers are mine, Bones. They're mine.
And so PewDiePie was outwitted by a retarded pug, tricked into doing yoga just to tire him out enough to eat his fingers. I've been Danny DeVito, and thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.